Hello guys, my name is N Harish. I am from the ECB section. Now I would like to tell about in this video solar cell. Solar cell and what is the principle of the solar cell and construction of solar cell, working of solar cell, advantages, disadvantages and applications of the solar cell. Principle of the solar cell. Solar cell or photovoltaic cell are made based on the principle of the photovoltaic effect. They convert sunlight into direct current DC electricity. Light striking the crystals induced the photovoltaic effect which generates electricity. Construction of the solar cell. A solar cell is basically a junction diode. Although its construction it is a little bit different from a conventional PN junction diode. A very thin layer of the P-type semiconductor is grown on a relatively thicker N-type semiconductor. We then apply a few finer electrodes on the top of the P-type semiconductor layer. These electrodes do not obstruct light to reach the thin P-type layer. Just below the P-type layer, there is a PN junction. We also provide a current collection electrode at the bottom of the N-type layer. We encapsulate the entire assembly by thin glasses to protect the solar cell from any mechanical shocks. Working of the solar cell. When light reaches the PN junction, the light photons can easily enter into the junction through very thin p-type layer. The light energy in the form of photons supplies sufficient energy to the junction to create a number of electron hole pairs. The incident light breaks the thermal equilibrium condition of the junction. The free electrons in the depletion region can quickly come to the n-type side of the junction. Similarly, the holes in the depletion can quickly come to the p-type side of the junction. Once the newly created free electrons come to the n-type side, can't further cross the junction because of barrier potential of the junction. Similarly, the newly created holes once come to the p-type side can't further cross the junction became the same barrier potential of the junction. As the concentration of electrons become higher in one side, n-type side of the junction and concentration of the holes become more in another side. The p-type side of the junction, the PN junction will behave like a small battery cell. A voltage is set up which is known as a photo voltage. If we connect a small load across the junction, there will be a tiny current flowing through it. This picture relates to the solar cell. Advantage of solar cell: no pollution associated with it. It must last for a long time. No maintenance cost. Disadvantage of solar cell: it has high cost of installation. It has low efficiency. During cloudy day, the energy can't be produced, and also at night we will not get solar energy. Applications of solar cell: it may be used to charge batteries, used in light meter. It is used to power calculators and wristwatches. It can be used in spacecraft to provide electrical energy. Thank you guys.